I felt like having graduated from high school. I myself didn't know what I was doing.
Hello.
Or where I was going. So it was a really good time, especially for the music and kind of the setting in my head, the atmosphere of breath. I don't do retreats, and I've been told realize not to. It wasn't often. I don't think it's just for the sake of
Who's got the hiccups? Who's got the hiccups?